dear students. Hope you all are doing well. Dear children, what do you see in this picture? Yes, we can see so many trees have been cut down. There is a traffic on the road and we can see releasing smoke from factories and vehicles. Children, do you know what will happen if we will cut down the trees? Yes, pollution. Pollution means to make the environment dirty and not suitable or safe to use. And without trees, life is not possible on the earth. And today, our topic is also pollution. It is an interesting poem in which the poet wants to give a message to save the environment. So, let's start. First of all, we will discuss word meanings of this chapter. First word is shrub. Shrub means a small bush. Next word, increasing. Increasing means growing. Next, decreasing. Decreasing means becoming less or fewer. Fourth, conserve. Conserve means to protect. Fifth, preserved. Preserved means to make something safe. Sixth, heaping. Heaping means a collection of things thrown one on another. Seventh, refuse. Refuse means garbage. Now we will recite the poem. Pollution means making things unfit for use, increasing smoke, decreasing trees, and heaping refuse. Once it was all green, herbs, shrubs, trees, all cut. Who could be so mean? To make the road wide, they cut down the trees, which were on both sides. Everywhere the traffic will grow, the trees will become less until you learn to sow. The soil has to be preserved. The water has to be conserved. This is the only solution to reduce the ever increasing pollution. Now, children, I will explain the poem stanza wise. So, let's begin with first stanza. Pollution means making things unfit for use, increasing smoke, decreasing trees, and heaping refuse. Pollution means to make the environment dirty and not safe and suitable to use. बच्चों, पॉल्यूशन का मतलब होता है एनवायरनमेंट को डर्टी बनाना जो हमारे लिए सूटेबल ना हो. एंड कॉजेज फॉर दिस पॉल्यूशन आर स्मोक, डिक्रीजिंग ट्रीज, कम होते हुए पेड़, एंड another cause for this pollution is heaping refuse. Refuse means garbage, बढ़ता हुआ garbage. All these are causes for this pollution. Increasing smoke, decreasing trees, and heaping refuse. Now see next stanza. Once it was all green. Herbs, shrubs, trees, all cut. Who could be so mean? In this stanza, poet wants to say, earlier it was all green. It means there was greenery everywhere. But now all types of plants have been cut down. Who could be so mean? इतना स्वार्थी कौन हो सकता है? Who is responsible for this? Yes, we human beings. We have cut down the trees. To make the road wide, they cut down the trees which were on both sides. Now poet wants to say There were trees on the both sides of road, but now trees have been cut down to make the road wide. पहले सड़क के दोनों तरफ ट्रीज होते थे, लेकिन अब रोड बनाने के लिए उन ट्रीज को काट दिया गया है. ओके, नाउ सी नेक्स्ट स्टैंजा. Everywhere the traffic will grow, the trees will become less until you learn to sow. In this stanza, the poet says, when the traffic will grow everywhere, the trees will become less. Until you learn to sow means we should grow more and more trees and we should take care of them. हमें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पेड़ लगाने चाहिए और उनकी टेक केयर भी करनी चाहिए. राइट? नाउ नेक्स्ट स्टैंजा. The soil has to be preserved, the water has to be conserved. This is the only solution to reduce the ever increasing pollution. In the end, the poet wants to give a message that the only solution to reduce this increasing pollution is that we should preserve the soil. And how can we preserve the soil? By growing more and more trees. Okay, preserve means save, protect. Okay, and we should save water. We should not pollute water by throwing garbage in it. Okay, and we should not waste it. And this is the only solution to reduce the pollution. पॉल्यूशन को कम करने का सिर्फ एक यही उपाय है कि हमें सॉइल को प्रिजर्व करना चाहिए और वाटर को सेव करना चाहिए, इसे पोल्यूट नहीं करना चाहिए. सो वी शुड ऑलवेज कीप द एनवायरनमेंट क्लीन. ओके, नाउ आई थिंक यू ऑल आर एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस पोएम and make a promise that you all will grow a tree on your birthday and you should take care of that tree also. Okay, so now learn this poem and recite it again and again. Thank you.